Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing this look but with a twist. All makeup products that I use is under $10, which you can find it in your local Target, Walmart, or if you're from the Philippines, you can actually buy it from Watson's, I believe, because half of this makeup products I used is from local brand Philippines. And if you want to see how I did this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I already did my half of the eye, so we can proceed with this look. So I will be using the Wet n Wild palette and also the Lemonade Craze palette, which is from Maybelline. Both of this palette is under $10, so that's really good. So for today, this look, as you can see already, I did a kind of like cranberry look. So I'm gonna be starting off with this shade right here, right there. I'll be taking that shade and just pack that shade all over my lids using this Wet n Wild brush right there. So I'll take that shade, and before that I will be priming my lids with this Essence I Heart Stage eyeshadow base. So like I said, I will be priming my my lids with these Essence I Heart Stage eyeshadow base. And as you can see, I have few pimples right there. I was trying out this new skincare and it's just horrible. See, the thing guys, if I'm really scared trying out new products, especially skincare, because that's the time when I break out a lot. So yeah, and then I'll let you know what skincare I use, because I will be doing probably a skincare routine later on. So yeah, as you can see, I have like visitors over there, like 1 2 3 4 5, and then here in my nose area. So but that doesn't stop us, so I'm just blending it with the Real Technique sponge, which is this sponge as well, is under $10. Okay, right here, no, this one, yep, that one right there. I'll be taking that shade and just packed it all over my lids. As you can see guys, this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette is really pigmented. By the way, this is in the Rose in the Air palette, and I believe this is $4.99 when I got this at Walmart. So it's under $10, affordable. So it should be look like that. And then I will be taking this orange shade next to the shade that I was using earlier, and take that shade and just blend it out here in the upper crease. It should be look like that. And then I will be using a crease brush, and I will be mixing this brown shade right there from the Wet n Wild, and then also from the Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette. I will be mixing that with Old Fashioned, which is that pretty brown shade as well. I'll be putting this shade first, and then later on I will be mixing it with the brown shade from my Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette. So I will be putting it at the outer V, just backing it up. So I will be using the Nyx HD Concealer to cut the crease. And what I do is grab a concealer, just like that, and then so I can see where I start cutting it. Now I'll be using concealer brush to cut this crease. Okay guys, so I will be taking this palette, first a Wet n Wild palette, and use that shade right here, that one right there, and put that shimmery shade on top of the lids. Okay, now I will be mixing the shade Citrus in the Maybelline palette, which is this one right here. I'll be mixing that with the shimmery that I just used on the Wet n Wild palette. So I have that like shimmery lids. So it will just like pop off the color. Just like nice gold. So right there. And then now I will be going back with the shade Old Fashioned from Maybelline, and also this dark brown shade from Wet n Wild, mixing them two to darken up, and so it doesn't have the harsh line moment. And then going back with the shade, with this one right here, the orange shade right there, I will be just blending them out on my upper crease there, so we don't have the harsh line going on. But for today's lashes, I'm really excited because I got this for like $1.25, I believe. But don't worry, like I said, I will leave the price below and then where you can shop them. This is from AOA Shop Miss A, and this is the name of this lashes is Lydia. I'll be back. I'll just have to put this off camera and then I'll see you. Okay guys, as you can see, this lashes is so bomb for $1.50 or $1.25. It's bomb. Like, it's super dramatic, and they're faux mink. So anyway, I will be mascara. So I will be using the Maybelline Push Up Angel mascara. So see. Okay guys, moving on with the face. So I will be using the Ordinary primer. This is the High Adherence Silicone Primer right there. So I'll be using this all over my face. By the way, I already did moisturize my face earlier while I was doing my eyebrows. So I'll just put this all over my face. Okay, for foundation, I will be using this Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage foundation. This is in the shade, well, I'm in the shade Sand Beige. I used this foundation yesterday and oh my god, it's so bomb. Like, this is bomb. I did a, not really a first impression, but I did a video of like full face using Maybelline, and I featured this product, and so far I really do like it. So I'm just gonna apply one pump. Try to put one pump first all over my face, and I'm using the Real Techniques sponge. Okay, for concealer, I will be using this NYX HD Photo Focus Concealer in the shade CW 0.5, and just put this under my eyes. I will also be using this Makeup Revolution Concealer, and I'm in the shade C7. So just put it right there so I have that bright look. And then in here, So anyway, I will be using this Wet n Wild. This is the contour stick in the shade Give Me Maple right there, and this is also affordable. So I will be using this to cream contour. I'll just put one line over there and here as well, and then in my forehead. And by the way, I'm using the Sigma angled brush. This is angled kabuki, so I'll just put it right there. I'm not blending it downwards because what's the use of contouring your face if you're doing it downwards? So you have to put it like upwards there. And then I'll be using my sponge just to kind of like blend them out and doesn't have the harsh line from using the brush there. Okay, I will be using this Nichido Final Powder in the shade Ivory Glow to set my under eyes and also the rest of my face. So it comes with a powder puff. So what I'll just do is just put the powder and just set my face. I'm not really doing that baking, so I just want to set my the liquid foundation, the contour stick, and the concealer by using this powder. Also in my forehead as well. Okay. I'm gonna dust off the powder my face. By the way, this brush from Elfie, guys, this total face brush is bomb, and they're like affordable. I believe it's like $2-3. Just mess this up. And now I will be bronzing, which is this is the Essence Matte Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder in the shade Natural 01 Natural. Right there, I'll be using this for bronzer. Also put bronzer in her forehead just to bring back my color. Okay guys, for blush, I will be using this Wet n Wild blush and in the shade Mellow Wine, my OG blush. So I'll be using that, and also a Wet n Wild blush brush. This has been my fave blush, you guys. So look how pigmented that is. Alright, so I like doing this before putting my highlighter. So I will be spraying this. This is the e.l.f. Soothing Aloe Mist. I'll just put this all over my face first before putting highlighter. And for highlighter, I will be using this Essence Pure Nude Highlighter and the shade Be My Highlight. Right there. Put it in the bridge of my nose. Okay guys, for lipstick, I literally just moisturize my lips before putting a liquid lipstick. So I will be lining my lips with this Nichido Lip Liner in the shade Blaze, and then I will be using this Vice Cosmetics Phenomenal Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Choo Choo Choo. Yeah, so that's that right there. So I'll be mixing them too. So let me just line my lips first with this lip liner. And then I'll be using this Vice Cosmetics lipstick. It smells good. It smells like a cookie or something. It smells really good. It smells sweet. I really like this red lipstick. It reminds me of Mary Jo K from Kylie Cosmetics. Anyway, so to finish up this look, I will be setting this with my Nichido Matte Finished Makeup Setting Spray. That's a long ass name, but here. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you like this video. I really like it from the makeup, from the eyes that I did earlier. I really love it. And then with the mix of this red lipstick from Vice Cosmetics, it's really bomb. It's under $10. And then you can also find some of these products. If you're from the Philippines, like I said, you can find some of these products at your local drugstore or like in Watson's maybe. And then if you're here from USA, you can find this at Target, Walmart, even Ulta. So make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And yes, I will be reaching 600 subscribers soon, and probably next week or in the next 2 weeks I will be putting a giveaway for you guys. This is all for my ladies out there, and don't worry if you're a guy that watching. I will be doing a 300 peso load again, because I did a 300 load peso giveaway before, but stay tuned with that. I will be announcing that on my Instagram, and if you don't follow me on my Instagram, check on my description box that I will put sign right here on my Instagram name, and because I'm more active on Instagram of all my social media. So yeah, I will see you guys soon. Bye.